Good morning, friends. Today I have a video on logic gates. Gates are very important for the electronic circuit, especially integrated electronic circuit ICs, manufacturing of chips, etc. The advance of the gate, at present, the things are going under the research phase in various multinationals, and these are known as quantum gates. But right now, we are studying the classical gates, that is simple logic gate. So it is electronic circuit based on the logical operations. That logical operation was pronounced by George Boole long back, 1854. And that was an investigation of laws of thoughts. Laws of thoughts, logic, तर्क शास्त्र, जिसका पहले यूज किया जाता था न्याय में, लॉ, विधि में, या दर्शन में, दर्शन शास्त्र, फिलोसफी. So these law of thoughts are used in judiciary as well as in philosophy. But here, the logical operation confined with the electric potential. And as we have discussed earlier, that if the voltage is 0.75 or more, then that is forward bias and it is on state. This is the on state something. And if the voltage is less than 0.75, then it is off state. And if it is greater than 0.75, then it is on state. So there is two states, off is 0 and on is 1. So on the basis of this logic gates, the number system, binary number system generated. So the George Boole in 1954 investigate the law of thoughts, and on the basis of that laws, there are some law that is known as Boolean law, which are equally important in digital circuits. So the first law is variables used can have only two values, either yes or no at that time, and now it is 1 if S is 1 and 0 is no. The 1 is termed as closed, low resistance and high states. 0 is termed open state, high resistance or low state. The second law is complement of a variable is expressed by using bar. If you are putting a bar over any number, then it is the complement of that number. As simple, A is a variable. The complement of A is A bar. So C of A is A bar. Now the two operations, that is OR, means working of this. इसको कैसे work करते हैं? ORing of the variables is represented by plus. Means A and B, two variables, then ORing is A plus B. Similarly, AND is another operator. So if it operating is ending of variables is represented by dot, and between them, so A and B are two variables, and ANDing is expressed as A dot B. So these are the things that we have. The other Boolean laws are very simple, and it is expressed as, first is commutative law. Commutative law is A into B. A into B is same as B into A. For the dot ending and ORing, the A and B is equal to B plus A. Means changing of sequence does not make any effect, on the result. So second is associative law. First, A dot B inside bracket with C is equal to A inside bracket B and C. In addition, ORing A plus B, one bracket plus C is equal to A plus in the bracket B plus C. So this is nothing but it is the orderless operation is associativity. Distributive law is as A multiply B plus C is equal to A dot B and plus A dot C. AND law, A dot A is A dot 1 is A dot 0 is 0, A dot A inverse is 0. Who are A plus A, this is A plus A, this A plus A is equal to A plus 1 is equal to 1, A plus A bar is 1, A plus 0 is A. Inverse law, A is the equal to A bar, complement of A of the complement. Complement of complement is the same number. It is expressed like this, where it is A bar. Absorptive, that is X intersection of X union Y is equal to X. This is for intersection. Here X union X intersection Y is equal to X. Annihilator law, X is intersection with null. It is null, phi vector. That is, sometime it is null vector, yeah, null set as well, vector or set, null set. Idempotence, that is X union X is X, X intersection is X. And double negation, negation of X negation is equal to X. So these are certain laws that was proposed by the Boolean in 1954, which were used at that point of time in judiciary as well as in the philosophy. Now, the important operation that is used at that time is A plus A dot B is equal to A. This can be proved as left-hand side, that is A plus AB. You take this one is A taking common. So A taking common is 1 plus A. From the law, 1 plus A is 1. So A dot 1 is A, that is right-hand side. So first is proved. Second, this is A plus A bar B is equal to AB, substituting the value of A from this above part. So A is equal to, this A is equal to A plus, left-hand side A is equal to, this is A plus B plus this A bar B. So we are taking the associativity, that is A plus A dot B plus A bar B. You are taking B common. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. So this is A plus 1 dot B. So A plus B, that is right hand side. So the second is proof. The third one is A plus B multiply with A plus C is equal to A plus B dot C. Again, taking left hand side, multiply. This one is A dot C, B dot A, and B dot C. So we know that A dot A is A. So A dot B, A dot C, B dot A, or B dot C. So we take this is A dot A plus AC. So, and this is B. So we can take this one is, so A dot A plus A dot B. A is taken common. So it is 1 plus B. 1 plus B is 1. This is 1 plus, this is 1 plus B is 1. So this is A. Now that A is taken as with A plus C. So A plus C, A is taken count 1 plus C. So 1 plus C is 1. This is 1. And here it is A plus BC, which is right hand side. So these three important rules are used to simplify the different cases. And on the basis of these cases, now we have the two important theorems, and these are known as De Morgan's theorem. Theorem 1 is the complement of the product is equal to addition of the complements. So this is A and B, the two variables and its product, and take the complement of the product is A complement plus B complement, the sum of the two complements. And it can be realized with the help of this expression with the gate. This is the AND gate. We will different here. It is the negation of it, that is NAND gate. So A and B, two inputs are here. Then we'll get output is Y. And this is A dot B to the bar. Here it is NOR gate, that is A bar, B bar, and then complement of 2 with the NOR. This is the NOR gate. This is the NOR gate. it is not exactly NOR gate, but this can be expressed in this part. Similarly, this is theorem 2. The complement of sum, the complement A plus B, two variable and its complement of sum is equal to the product of the complements. So A complement, and here it is B complement and its product. So this is the NOR gate. So the first theorem based on the NAND gate and the second theorem based on the NOR gate. So this is the NAND gate theorem. This is the NAND gate theorem, and this is NOR gate theorem, and this is the part. Now we can have the different gates on the basis of the Boolean's theorem and Boolean algebra. So logic gates, that is electronic circuit, work on the Boolean algebra, which is building block of computer or digital devices. So here it is three type of gates we can classify in general. One is the basic gates. These basic gates are AND, OR, NOT. Here it is the universal gate, NAND or NOR. Here it is exclusive gate, that is X. This is XOR or XNOR. These are XNOR. So XOR and XNOR. These gates are operating with the logic system. So we take two type of logic system: positive, which is traditional, as V is greater than 0.75 volt. So it is high. When V is less than 0.75, is low. This is the positive. And we will discuss till in the full case it with the positive logic. And there is another concept of negative logic. Negative logic is inverse of the positive logic, that is high when V is less than 0.75 volt and low when V is greater than 0.75 volt. So there are two types of logics, positive logics and negative logics. Here we will like to discuss all these things with the help of the positive logic. So we can take this one is as given. That is the whole concept of the gates with the comprehensive and detailed discussion. The take first is AND gate. So circuit symbol, this one is the circuit symbol. Circuit symbol of the AND gate. This is the AND, A dot A and B. So the output of Y is equal to A dot B, multiplication of this. And the truth table, the simple truth table of AND gate is A, B, and here it is Y. And the truth table is if inputs are A is 0, B is 0, Y is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0 is 1, 0, 1, 1 is 1. So this one is the truth table of the AND gate. And this AND gate can be characterized on the various properties. On the basis of various properties, the first is Boolean function, and this is the Boolean function, that is Y is equal to A dot B. The Venn diagram say that is intersection portion of both A and B vector, that is A intersection B, as it is electrical circuit when two switches, when these are two switches and these switches are connected in series, A and B. So this bulb will glow only when two switches are closed on. Otherwise, the bulb is off. So for this electrical circuit, if we analyze all possible cases, that is one, both switches are off, there is no light. The second is A is off, B is on, no light. Third is A is on, B is off, circuit is disconnected and off state, no light. And the fourth, both switches are on, then there is a glow, and that is bulb has the light. So this one is on state. So it is electrical circuit. The rules, the Boolean rules are 0 dot A is 0, 1 dot A is A dot A is A. And the most important part is here for the undergraduate classes, that is the discussion of the AND gate on the basis of electronic circuit. We use two diodes for the discussion on the basic concept of two diodes are one forward bias case, other reverse bias case. So we have already discussed about the forward and reverse bias in detail. So here are two diodes, DA and DB. These two diodes are connected with a resistance and a power supply VCC, that is 5 volt, and output is taken at this point V0. So in these two diodes, there are two states. One is forward bias, other is reverse bias. When N type is 0, low voltage, and P is already connected with 5 volt. So P is at positive end, which is fixed, and N may be vary. It's 0 or 1. If it is 0, then this one is forward bias. So if A is 0, then it is forward bias. Here B is 0, then it is forward bias. So if both input are 0, the diodes are forward bias. Then all combination of these two diodes are given in this table. You see, A is state of diode A, this B is input of diode B, and if low, both are low, means both are forward bias. Both are forward bias. So both are forward bias and low. So in this forward bias, the current flow, that is I1 in diode DA and I2 in diode DB. This is I2 and this one is the I1. So using this Kirchhoff voltage law, that is the algebraic sum of the potential drop across the closed circuit is 0. So on the basis of this Kirchhoff voltage law KVL, output V0 is equal to VCC minus IR. I is the current flowing through this resistance, and this I is nothing but it is sum of two currents. It is sum of two currents, I1 and I2, that is flowing across the diode DA and DB. So if two inputs, both inputs are low state, it means diodes are in forward bias and current is flowing and there is a potential drop. Since this resistance is of the order kilo ohm and current is flowing in milliampere, so this IR is, this is 10 to the power minus 3 and here it is 10 to the power plus 3 kilo. So this two multiplication of the current and voltage give the potential drop, and VCC minus IR is equal to 0. So the output is 0. So if two inputs are 0, the output is 0. Now the second, this is the first case. The second case is A is 0 and B is high, 1. So this A is 0 is forward bias, means I current is flowing. As and when B is high, so what is going to happen at this point? This is the N and this is P. And here it is 5 volt apply, it is hole, and here it is the 5 volt apply, it is the electron, both 5. So electron is moving in this direction. So no current is flowing. And therefore I2 is equal to 0. And this is only in case of reverse bias. So this is reverse bias, and this current I1 is flowing. Due to the I1, there is a potential drop across the given resistance, and again the output is 0. Now the third case is A is 1 and B is 0. When B is 0, it is forward bias, but there is no current in the diode 1 because of the reverse bias. So the current flow due to the diode B, I2, and due to the I2, again, there is a potential drop across the resistance, and this VCC minus potential drop is again 0. So output is again 0. Now the third, and now the fourth and final case, that is both are high. If both are high, A is high and B is high, it means that both are in reverse bias. So no current is flowing. If there is no current is flowing, I1 is equal to 0 and I2 is equal to 0. So sum of these two current is 0, the potential drop is 0. So according to Kirchhoff voltage law, VCC minus IR. IR is 0, so the complete VCC is across the output. And if it is the output, complete voltage is here, and so it is the high, and that's why it is the 1. That's why it is the 1. So in this case, in the first case, both forward bias. The second case, A is forward, B is reverse. In third case, A is reverse, B is forward. And in the fourth case, both are reverse, and therefore it is 1. And this one is the operation of the AND gate. So similarly, we can have the OR gate also. In case of the OR gate, the circuit symbol is this one, and the Boolean function is y is equal to a plus b. The truth table is it is high, either of them is high. So if 0, 0 is 1, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. So these are as the Venn diagram, that is A in union B. So the complete set of this set is the Venn diagram. Here it is the universal set. Electrical circuit means though two switches A and B, two switches are in the parallel combination, and when this is the source, and here it is the switches. Either of these switches is closed, the current is flowing and bulb is glowing. So if both are open, that is 0, 0 state, so no glow, that is no current is flowing over here. But either of them is closed, the current is flowing in the bulb, and therefore it is the glow. The rules, Boolean rules, 0 plus A is A, 1 plus A, this is the important concept, that is 1 plus A is 1, and this is 0, A plus 0 is equal to 0. Here it is A plus A is A plus A bar is 1. A plus A bar is 1. So the rule, and the fifth and the important rule is electronic circuit again in case of the OR gate. We are considering again two diodes, DA and DB. These two diodes are in opposite of that of AND gate. So we take the four possible states in these two diodes. The first is when DA diode, the first diode is A. A is at 0 voltage. So if A is 0 voltage, P is connected to 0, B is already connected to the ground state. So in this circuit, at both the end of the diodes, either P or N, both are 0. So no bias is there. No bias is there. So here it is no bias is there in case of low at B. So at both the diodes at the no bias means reverse bias, no current is flowing, and therefore no potential drop across the R. So the output V0 is equal to I into R, which is 0. So it is 0. But either of the diode is forward bias and then current is flowing, then potential drop is there. And if potential drop is greater than 0.75, then it is one state. And if it is less than 0.75, then it is 0 state. So suppose A is 0 and B is high. B is high means B point is connected high 5 volt. If it is connected 5 volt, so this point is positive, and this point is positive means the forward bias is there. Here it is the forward bias and current is flowing I2, and due to this current there is a potential drop I2R in the resistance, and so output is high. The second case. The third case is at point A is high. At high means there is a 5 volt. So due to this 5 volt, there is a positive terminal at P point. So it is the forward bias. It is the forward bias. So I1 current is flowing across the resistance R, capital R, and therefore due to the potential drop across the R is I1R, and here it is the 1 high. If both are high, both are 5 volt, so both diode are forward bias. Both diode are forward bias, and due to the forward bias, there is the current I1 and I2. Potential drop across then is IR. IR means this is I1 plus I2 of the R, this kind. So potential drop is prominent over this case, but it is greater than 0.75, and therefore it is the one state. And in this way, we have the OR gate. Now, the third gate is NOT gate. NOT gate is the very simple, but there is a use of the transistor in case of the application of NOT gate. So in NOT gate, this is the circuit symbol. It is the complement type of the gate. The truth table is if it is A is input, Y is output. A is 0, output is 1. Means low. If it is low, if it is low, then it is high. If it is high, and if it is high, so this one is low. So this kind of inverter. So Boolean function is A bar, Venn diagram is something U minus A dash, electrical circuit is something. Now this is low resistance. This is the important. We can say this is 10 ohm, this is 5 ohm, whatever it may be, very. If it is closed, A is closed, so the whole current is flowing in this pass. So no current is flowing across the bulb, and therefore no glow if this one is closed. So in this case, if A is open, bulb is glow, that is the current flowing through the bulb. If it is closed, the current is flowing through the small R resistance, and therefore there is no current across the bulb, and there is no light. Rule: A is equal to O bar, A 1 bar is equal to A 0, and A double bar is A, means complement of complement is the same variable, and then it is the case. Now, again, the important part of this for the graduate level is electronic circuit. In this electronic circuit, we have considered this is NPN transistor. This is NPN transistor in CE, common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration circuit. So this is common emitter. Emitter is common between this output and input. Input is the base point. Here it is the base resistance RB. If this, and here it is the output, this VCC is positive. This positive is approximately 5 volt, as it is always. Here the base resistance and base current IC and RC. So again, KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, states that V0 is equal to VCC minus ICRC. Now again, this Kirchhoff law is very important, and you have to remember to operate on the various level. So this Kirchhoff law, V0 is equal to VCC minus ICRC, where IC, this IC current, collector current is equal to beta current gain in common emitter configuration into base current IB. Base current IB is equal to base voltage upon base resistance. So now if first case, if this low state means the base voltage is 0. If base voltage is 0, so 0 upon R is 0. So IB is 0. If IB is 0, then IC is equal to 0. This IC is equal to 0. So first case, that is when B is 0, this is the B voltage is 0, current is 0, base current is 0, and therefore collector current is 0, and therefore potential drop across the resistance R is 0. So whole output is the supply voltage VCC, and therefore the output is high. Now case 2, when B is high voltage across base is high, means the current is, base current is high, multiply with the beta, that is common current, common emitter current gain. So it is the IC. IC is finite value. So potential drop across the collector resistance is finite, and in such a way that the VCC minus ICRC will be 0. This is the 0. It means output is 0. Output is 0 means this is the low state. So what we find, case 1, when B is low, output V0 is high. When case 2, when B is high, the output is low. So it is the very basic concept of the NOT gate. So these are the basic gates. And then we have 2 universal gate. Why it is universal? Because universal gate are those gates which can generate the various gates, including universal gate, with the help of itself. So the first universal gate is NAND gate. The circuit symbol of NAND gate is this one is the circuit symbol. This NAND is and with NOT, and with NOT is NAND. So if you take the truth table, this is the AND truth table, and truth table is 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. So this is the truth table of AND. Now NAND, if you apply one NOT gate, of this output of AND, then we will get NAND. So now by applying NOT gate, the input is 0, output is 1. Input is 0, output is 1. Input is 0, output is 1. But when input is 1, output is 0. So the NAND output is 1, 1, 1, 0. This one is the NAND output. The electrical circuit at it is the switching points are A and B. These are A and B. These are the two switches. Again, here it is the very low resistance, say 10 ohm or 5 ohm. So if these switches are closed, then there is no current flowing through the bulb and therefore there is no light. And here it is the Boolean function, that is y is equal to A dot B, that is and apply with the NOT is bar. And this is the intersection of this bar, and here it is the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram of the NAND gate. Now the most important case is again the electronic switch. Electronic circuit is electronic circuit consists of first and as we discussed in the previous cases, that is diode DA and this is diode DB. These two diodes, when it is the low, these are the forward biases, and if it is current flowing, then there is a potential drop, and this potential drop makes V0 is equal to 0. So this one is to AND gate, and here this AND gate is connected with a NOT. This is the NPN transistor in CE configuration. The configuration is common emitter configuration. So this part is AND gate, and here it is NOT gate. So combining these two parts, as we have discussed, AND or NOT is giving the NAND gate. So what we find in this case, again, there is a current I1, I2 because of the forward bias. So the potential drop is 0, but the output, if it is V0 is 0, so it is high. The output is high. Similarly, either of them is forward bias, then it is 0. When it is 0, the output is high. So first case, this is the first case, second, third. In these three cases, the input is low, so output is high. But in fourth case, when both are reverse bias, no current is flowing, the potential is high at point B. So B is high, so the output is low, and therefore this is 0. So this is all about the NAND gate in the circuit. And the fifth gate is NOR gate as the universal gate. So NOR gate is nothing but OR with NOT. So this is your OR gate, this is OR, and here it is NOT. So combining these two are known as NOR gate. And this is the truth table of OR gate, that is 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, and 1, 1 is 1. Now, whenever we connect NOT gate, so input is low, output is high. So input is low, output is high, input is high, output is low. So the NOR output is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is a Boolean function, A plus B over bar. This is the in electrical switches. In electrical switches, these two switches, that is R switches with the NOT, so it is low resistance. So whenever the circuit is closed, the bulb, there is no light in the bulb. But the important is electronic circuit. Electronic circuit at it was in case of NAND gate, that is we used two circuits. One is R circuit, other is NOT circuit. So again, NOT is here, it is the transistor is NPN transistor, and it is CE configuration, common emitter configuration. In common emitter configuration, the current gain is beta. So as we have already discussed the function of OR gate and then connected with the NOR gate. So again, this one is the same as when A is at low, so this is the no current is flowing. So B is, this point is low. If it is low, then A is high. A is high means VCC is there. And if A is high, the current is flowing. This point is VB is high. this voltage at this point is high, this is the low. So this output is low and there is a NOT gate. So this truth table of the NOR is as it is the case of the OR with NOT. So the universal gate, all gates can be realized. In this way, there are two universal gates. One is AND gate, other is NOR gate. So why it is universal? Because all the gates are derived from these two gates. So let us see how it can be done. That is the derivation or realization of various gates using the universal gate NAND. Now we have total 5 gates and are not basic, nor NAND universal. So realization of gates and or not nor from the NAND gate using NAND gate, that is A dot bar, using only NAND gate. NAND gate means only NAND gate. We have to realize all 4 gates. How it is possible? You see, this is the AND. We have to find out AND from the NAND. We have to find out AND from the NAND. So this one is the AND function is Boolean function is, this is y is equal to AB. So we find out this y is equal to AB from the NAND. What is the NAND? A dot bar. A dot bar. So we have this one is from Boolean complement of complement. Complement of complement is the same. So if it is 2 A and B input, this is the one NAND gate. So we apply this A, the output is A dot B bar. Again, the same input is applied to the another NAND gate 2. So what we'll find? The bar over bar. This is the bar over bar. Bar over bar means this is the bar over bar. So this is the output. This is the output, and here it is bar over bar, AB bar over bar. So AB bar over bar is AB. So what we find? A and B, there are 2 inputs and output is A, B, and as it is from the NAND. So what we find, if this dotted line represent the encapsulation. This dotted line represent the encapsulation. So 2 NAND gates are encapsulated, hide. If we hide this, इसको छुपा दिया जाए, किसी तरह से 2 NAND गेट को छुपा दें, तो जो इनपुट मिल रहा है, these are the inputs, ये इनपुट्स है AB और ये आउटपुट है AB. तो ये लग रहा है कि this behave like NAND gate. तो 2 NAND gate से this is 2 means 2 NAND gate. These are 2 NAND gate gives the 1 AND gate. Similarly, R gate, R is this much. This is Y is equal to A plus B. This is the R gate. इसको प्राप्त करना है किससे? NAND gate से. NAND gate का क्या है? NAND gate का Boolean function Y is equal to A dot B का बार है. तो मान लीजिए, let us see, start with this Y dash. Y dash is A plus B. Y dash is A plus B. A plus B कैसे लिख सकते हैं? A plus B लिख सकते हैं A बार डॉट B बार का होल बार, है ना? तो इसको ओपन करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? कंप्लीमेंट हटेगा तो A के ऊपर दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट प्लस B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट ओवर कॉम्प्लीमेंट. So what will give? This is A plus B, and that is the R. That is the R. Means these are the process that we have to follow. Means A bar और B bar दो इनपुट ले लीजिए. तो दो इनपुट किसके थ्रू लेंगे? NAND के थ्रू. माइंड इट, इट इज NAND. तो A इनपुट में NAND 1 हो गया तो A बार दे देगा. B इनपुट में दूसरा NAND ले लेंगे तो B. तो दो इनपुट हो गए, एक A बार दूसरा B बार. ये NAND से लगा दिए तो क्या होगा? A बार इंटू B बार, ये प्रोडक्ट हो गया. और उसका ये दो इनपुट हो गया और उसका बार हो गया. तो उनका बार होने का मतलब ये, उनका बार होने का मतलब ये हो गया कि दिस इज A डॉट बार. तो तीसरे डायोड में ये होल बार हो गया. होल बार का मतलब क्या है कि इसको यदि ओपन करेंगे तो बार का A डबल बार प्लस डॉट का प्लस B डबल बार और A बार A डबल बार. Complement of complement is the same. Here it is complement of complement B is same. So A plus B. A plus B. So if we encapsulate, इतने को छुपा दिया जाए, इतने को छुपा दिया जाए तो इनपुट में क्या है? इनपुट में हमारा A और B है और आउटपुट में क्या मिल रहा है? A plus B. दिस इज द आउटपुट, आउटपुट में हमें a प्लस बी मिल रहा है। तो ये किस तरह का फंक्शन है, दिस इज द समथिंग लाइक आर। तो आर का हो गया, तो आर गेट हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं नैंड गेट से। कितने गेट्स यूज किए गए, 1 2 3। तो 3 आर गेट यदि हम लगा दिए तो हमारे पास नैंड गेट 3 हो गया, तो आर गेट मिल गया। नॉट के लिए क्या है, एज सिंपल, एक है ए एंड ए बार, एक नैंड गेट से ही हमें एक नॉट मिल गया। नॉर के लिए आर, नॉर के लिए क्या है, दिस इज नॉर इज आर प्लस नॉट, दिस इज आर प्लस नॉट। तो 3 लगेगा, 3 नॉर के लिए और 1 आर के लिए। तो टोटल कितने हो गए, 4 नैंड गेट, 4 नैंड गेट की जरूरत है। तो यहां से ये इतनी पोर्शन किसके लिए हो गया, आर के लिए हो गया, दिस इज आर। और ये किसके लिए हो गया, दिस इज नॉट। सो तो इसके नॉर में क्या हो गया, ए और बी दो इनपुट मिला और ए प्लस बी का बार आउटपुट मिला, तो दिस इज आउटपुट। सो इट विल गेट दी नॉर गेट। तो नॉर गेट प्राप्त करना है, तो नॉर गेट के लिए हम क्या किए, आर के लिए 3 ले लिए, नॉट के लिए 1 लिए, तो टोटल कितना हो गया, 4। तो 4 नैंड गेट के द्वारा हम नॉर को प्राप्त कर लिए। इसी तरह से हम नॉर को, नॉर जो यूनिवर्सल गेट है, इसको ले सकते हैं और इसके आधार पर हम बाकी 4 एंड, आर, नॉट, नैंड, ये 4 गेट्स को रियलाइज कर सकते हैं यूजिंग नॉर। तो नॉर क्या है, दिस इज द सर्किट सिंबल ऑफ नॉर, ए प्लस बी का होल बार। एंड, चलिए पहला गेट हम एंड को रियलाइज करते हैं, किसके वजह से, नॉर के वजह से। तो एंड क्या है, ए इनपुट बी इनपुट, तो ए डॉट बी हो गया, ये आउटपुट हो गया किसका, एंड का, एंड का ये आउटपुट हो गया। तो ये एंड का आउटपुट वाई डैश आपको चाहिए, तो ये वाई ए, इसको कैसे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, मान लीजिए हम ले ले ए बार इनपुट और ये बी बार इनपुट, उसको सम कर दें, सम करके उसका बार कर दें। तो जब बार मीन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट हटाएंगे तो ए डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट प्लस का डॉट एंड बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, सो इट इज देयर। तो चलिए इसको लेते हैं कि ए इनपुट है और इसको इनपुट में नॉर से लगा दे तो ए बार हो गया, बी इनपुट है, इसको लगा दें नॉर 2 से तो बी बार हो गया। अब ए बार बी बार, 2 इनपुट हो गया इस नॉर का, तीसरे का, तो इसको लगा देंगे तो क्या हो गया, ए बार प्लस बी बार का होल बार, ए बार प्लस बी बार का होल बार। होल बार जब कॉम्प्लीमेंट हटाएंगे तो ए डबल बार डॉट बी डबल बार, तो ए डबल बार का ए और बी डबल बार का बी, सो द आउटपुट इज ए डॉट बी। अब ये हाइट है इनकैप्सुलेटेड पार्ट, इस इनकैप्सुलेटेड पार्ट को कवर कर दीजिए। तो फाइनली क्या मिला, इनपुट में आपके पास ए और बी है, ए और बी, आउटपुट में क्या मिल रहा है, ए डॉट बी। तो इसका मतलब क्या है, एंड गेट। तो एंड गेट किसके वजह से मिला, 3 नॉर गेट की वजह से। अब दूसरा देखिए आर, आर का मतलब ए प्लस बी, तो नॉर से आर निकालना है, तो ए प्लस बी का होल बार ये नॉर कहता है, और उसका डबल बार कर देंगे तो ए प्लस बी हो जाएगा। तो ये है ए इनपुट और बी इनपुट, इन दोनों के वजह से ए प्लस बी का बार हो गया है ना, ये इनपुट यहाँ मिला। इसी को फिर से एक नॉर के इनपुट में लगा दीजिए तो आउटपुट में क्या मिल गया, ए प्लस बी बार, तो ए प्लस बी। तो ये टोटल इनकैप्सुलेटेड है, इसको छुपा दिया जाए और ये कहा ये 2 इनपुट है 1 आउटपुट है, तो इसका बिहेवियर आर के रूप में होगी। अब दूसरा क्या है, नॉट। तो नॉट भी सिंपल, एक नॉर लगा दीजिए इनपुट में, तो आउटपुट का जो होगा ए बार हो गया, तो एक डायोड से। नाउ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज नैंड। सो नैंड इज एंड प्लस नॉट, दिस इज एंड प्लस नॉट। तो हमने पहले से बना रखा है एंड के लिए, दिस इज आवर एंड, ये एंड का 1 2 3 ये एंड के लिए हो गया, इसमें नॉट जोड़ दीजिए तो 3 यहाँ है और 1 ये 4, तो इतने पोर्शन एंड के लिए हो गया और यहां तक तो एंड हो गया और यहां से नॉट हो जाएगा, दिस इज योर नॉट, ये दिस इज एंड। तो ये ए और बी 2 इनपुट है, तो आउटपुट में क्या है, ए डॉट बी का बार, तो ये नैंड जैसे बिहेव किया। तो 4 यदि नॉर का यूज करें, 1 2 3 4, 4 नॉर गेट का यूज करें तो उसके आधार पर एक नैंड गेट मिल जाएगा। तो इस तरह से ये हम रियलाइज कर दिए कि किस तरीके से हमारा काम हो जाएगा यदि हम यूनिवर्सल गेट नैंड और यूनिवर्सल गेट नॉर रखें। तो ये यूनिवर्सल टेबल हम बना दिए कि टेबल ए में नैंड गेट दिया है और उससे हमको एंड और नॉट नॉर निकालना है। तो कितने गेट्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी? तो एंड के लिए 2, आर के लिए 3, नॉट के लिए 1 और नॉर के लिए 4। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाते हैं। दूसरा टेबल है, दिस इज टेबल 2, नॉर दिया है और गेट हमें कौन सा बनाना है? एंड के लिए 3, और के लिए 2, नॉट के लिए 1 और नैंड के लिए 4। ये हम पीछे के सर्किट के थ्रू दिखा दिए हैं कि किस तरह से नॉर का यूज इतने गेट्स का होगा तो वो ये गेट बना सकता है। तो इससे क्या हो गया कि द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट अगेन फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि 2 नैंड गेट है तो उससे एंड बना सकते हैं, और 2 नार गेट है तो उससे आर बना सकते हैं। तो देखिए दोनों टेबल में 1 और 2 में नॉट के लिए एक ही गेट का है और नॉर के लिए 4 है। तो ये तो दोनों कॉमन है ना, ये कॉमन है, यहां से ये कॉमन है। चेंज क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ 2 3 है, यहाँ 3 2 है। अब ये कंफ्यूजन है, लेकिन इस कंफ्यूजन को भी याद कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। जिस यूनिवर्सल गेट से बनाना है उसमें देखिए कि सिंपलेस्ट क्या है। नैंड से एंड सिंपल है तो 2 लगेगा, नार से आर सिंपल है तो उसमें 2 लगेगा। वही चीज यहाँ पे कि 2 नैंड गेट से एंड बना सकते हैं और 2 नार गेट से आर बना सकते हैं। तो ये याद करने की जरूरत है क्योंकि ये एग्जामिनेशंस में पूछते हैं कि हाउ मेनी गेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द गिवन स्टेट। सो अब आते हैं कि इसके अलावा 2 और गेट्स होते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव गेट्स। दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिव गेट में एक होता है एक्सक्लूसिव आर, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं एक्स आर से, और इसका सिंबल होता है ये 2 लाइन ड्रॉ कर देते हैं एक बबल। तो एक्सक्लूसिव आर का ये सर्किट सिंबल हो गया, और इस सर्किट सिंबल का जो बूलियन फंक्शन होता है वो a प्लस बी को सर्किल कर देते हैं, a प्लस बी प्लस को सर्किल करते हैं। नाउ एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि यदि एंड को सर्किल कर दे तो क्या बनेगा, या ये ऑपरेशन क्या होगा? ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ऑपरेशन है और इसको कहते हैं कन्वोल्यूशन। दिस इज कन्वोल्यूशन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ऑपरेशन है और इसका यूज करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा जगह पे। आप डिटेल में देखेंगे तो वहां पे मिलेगा। यहाँ पे अभी हम दूसरा चीज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो बूलियन फंक्शन क्या है एक्सक्लूसिव आर का? ए प्लस सर्किल बी, ये हो जाता है ए बार डॉट बी प्लस ए डॉट बी बार। अब जो भी एक्स आर है उसमें आर को एक्सक्लूसिव करके यदि हम देखें तो ए बी आर हो गया। तो 0 0 0 0 1 इज 1 1 0 इज 1 1 1 इज 0 1 1 इज 0। तो ये एक अलग तरीके का आउटपुट मिल गया, और वो आउटपुट इसके हिसाब से यदि देख लें कि ए बार डॉट बी है तो एक डायोड लगेगा एंड का, एक डायोड यहाँ पे लगेगा और एक गेट यहाँ पे लगेगा। तो 2 एंड लगेंगे, एक आर लगेगा। 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, एक एडिशन है। तो ए है इनपुट, एक नॉट लगा देंगे तो ए बार हो गया। तो दिस इज ए बार। डॉट करना है एंड गेट और बी इनपुट है, तो ए बार और बी ये 2 इनपुट है, तो ए बार डॉट बी। तो इसका आउटपुट जो होगा हमारे पास मिल गया, दिस इज ए बार बी, पहला टर्म, ये टर्म यहाँ पे मिल गया। अब ए डॉट बी है तो बी बार बनाना है, बी से बी बार बनाना है। तो बी से बी बार बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? एक नॉट गेट लगा देंगे। तो ये बी है और बी से ये बी बार लगा दिया। ये जो सिंबल हम बनाते हैं इसलिए कि ये लाइन टच न करे, ये अलग से लाइन है। तो ये बी बार हो गया, तो ए हो गया इनपुट ये और बी बार इनपुट हो गया ये। तो आउटपुट में क्या मिल गया? ए इंटू बी बार, ए इंटू बी बार। और दो ये इनपुट्स हैं, इसको आर पर लगा दिया, दिस इज योर आर गेट। आर गेट क्या, दोनों को जोड़ देगा। तो ए बार डॉट बी एक इनपुट हो गया, प्लस ए इंटू बी बार, तो ये आउटपुट हो गया। तो दिस इज द रियलाइजेशन ऑफ एक्सक्लूसिव आर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द गेट्स। अब अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, हमारे ग्रेजुएट लेवल के ये चीजें +2 लेवल तक बुक्स में दिए हैं, आजकल एडवांस बोर्ड्स के अंदर ये दिए हैं, लेकिन ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट से रियलाइजेशन है ये बीएससी का लेवल हो जाता है। दिस इज फ्रॉम द ग्रेजुएशन BSc/BE इंजीनियरिंग लेवल पे। तो यहाँ एंड है, वो एंड के लिए बन गया, एंड की सर्किट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हमने पहले बना चुके हैं, यहाँ भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के लिए हो गया, ये एंड हो गया, और ये डायोड्स का यूज करके आर के लिए हो गया। तो दिस इज फॉर आर, दिस इज फॉर एंड। तो ये इस तरह से कंबाइंड कर दिए तो हमारे पास ये एक्सक्लूसिव आर का हो गया। और एक्सक्लूसिव आर में जो ये एक्सप्रेशन है, इस एक्सप्रेशन को आधार मान करके यदि हम इसको एक्सप्लेन करें तो केस 1 देखिए, केस 1 क्या है, a इज इक्वल टू 0 तो a बार इज 1, b इज इक्वल टू 0 तो b बार 1। ठीक है, अब यहां से जो वैल्यूज है, 4 वैल्यूज, उसको हम एक्सप्रेशन में ले आते हैं। कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन, a बार इज 1, b इज 0, a इज 0, b बार इज 1, तो 1 इंटू 0 प्लस 1 इंटू 0, तो 0 प्लस 0 इज 0। तो a 0 और b 0, यू सी a 0 एंड b 0, तो आउटपुट क्या है, 0, आउटपुट 0 है। द सेम रीजन इज ऑल्सो सेड फॉर a एंड b, a is a, b is a 1, तो a बार इज 0, b बार 0, और उससे देखेंगे तो यही आपको मिलेगा, द सेम केस। तो रो 1, ये 1 और 4, रो 1 और 4 का एक्सप्लेनेशन इसी केस के थ्रू हो जाएगा। रो 2 के लिए देखिए, a इज 0, b इज 1, तो a बार क्या हो जाएगा, 0 का 1, और b 1 है तो b बार 0, तो 0 1 का 1 0 हो गया। अब इस एक्सप्रेशन में रखिए, इस एक्सप्रेशन में रखेंगे तो क्या है, a बार 1 और b इज 1, ये a बार b 1 1, और a इंटू b बार 0 0, तो 1 इंटू 0 इज 0, 1 1 इज 1, सो दिस इज 1, सो हियर इट इज 1। तो आइदर केस, तो ये सेकेंड केस जो होता है, रो 3 2 और 3 को एक्सप्लेन कर देता है। So these explanations are for the truth table. Venn diagram, this is your Venn diagram, Venn diagrams के हो गए। So this is all about the details of the exclusive R. Now the next point is exclusive NOR, XNOR. XNOR exclusive gate है, X R with NOT में जुड़ जाए तो इसको क्या कहते हैं, एक बबल यहाँ पे ड्रा कर देते हैं, है ना। दिस इज योर एक्स आर, एक्सक्लूसिव आर, और यहाँ पर एक नॉट हो गया, यहाँ पे एक नॉट हो गया, तो ये आपका एक्सक्लूसिव नॉर हो गया। तो इसके लिए एक ये बबल हटा देते हैं, तो क्या है, जो एक्सप्रेशन है, दिस इज ए प्लस दिस ऊपर से कॉम्प्लीमेंट। तो जो ट्रुथ टेबल था यहाँ तक 0 1 1 0, ये एक्स आर का है, तो एक्स नार का जो ट्रुथ टेबल होगा, दिस इज एक्स नार का वैल्यू में 0 है तो 1, क्यों, ये नॉट की वजह से, 1 है तो 0, 1 है तो 0 है, 0 है तो 1, तो 0 1 0 0 1, these are the output of the truth table. Boolean function क्या है, a plus 0 whole complement, and therefore this is the a plus b dot plus a dot a bar b bar. तो यहाँ पे भी 2 एंड होगा, 2 एंड गेट होगा और एक आर गेट होगा, these are the r, here it is and, तो ये एंड हो गया, फर्स्ट एंड a और b दोनों का एंड हुआ, तो ये आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा, दिस इज a plus b। यहाँ दोनों में नॉट गेट लग गया, बोथ आर नॉट गेट, तो नॉट गेट में क्या हो गया, a बार इंटू b बार हो गया, तो 2 इनपुट हो गया, r से जोड़ दीजिए, r से जोड़ने पे क्या, a प्लस b, ये यहां से आ गया, a बार डॉट b बार यहां से आ गया, तो दिस इज द आउटपुट, दिस इज आउटपुट ऑफ x नॉर, दिस इज x नॉर, है ना। एक्सक्लूसिव नॉर। अब इसको करने के लिए वही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट जो अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इतने पोर्शन जो है ये पहला एंड के लिए होगा, ये दूसरे एंड के लिए हुआ, दोनों पे इनपुट में नॉट लग गया, और ये आर के लिए हो गया। दिस इज फॉर आर, दिस इज फॉर एंड, है ना। तो ये आपका आउटपुट मिला, दिस इज ए डॉट बी प्लस ए बार डॉट बी बार। So this is the output of XNOR, and this is the Venn diagram, and here NOT is switches. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. These are the switches and its combination, and this combination can be verified on the basis of the given truth table. और Venn diagram से ये हो गया. So in this way we can have the exclusive gates and exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. So the exclusive OR or NOR gate can be summarized in this way कि Boolean function for exclusive के लिए, exclusive OR के लिए, this is the 0, exclusive OR with A is A. 1 के साथ exclusive OR लेंगे तो A बार होगा, ठीक है। और exclusive NOR में this is 0 plus A बार, तो A बार हो गया A। 1 के साथ exclusive A लेंगे NOR, तो A हो जाएगा। तो जहां पे A आया वहां पे A बार हो गया, जहां A बार हो रहा है वहां पर A हो रहा है। So it is again confirmed that XR exclusive R exclusive NOR का negation में, और जो दो थ्योरम्स हम बुलियन में किए थे वो यहीं से कंफर्म हो जाता है। It can be obtained. This is A plus B whole bar is complement of sum. सम है A plus B, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे तो क्या होगा, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स का प्रोडक्ट होगा, इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। इसी तरह से यहां पर कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट A और B दो प्रोडक्ट है, उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है और ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, इसका सम। सो दीज आर टू इंपॉर्टेंट बुलियन थ्योरम्स, and again it can be detailed in the advanced cases in future lectures. Now the few important points that we have for the examination point of view, important tips for objective type examinations क्या है? These are the 8 important points जिसको हम कहते हैं क्रीम। पूरा डिस्कशन का जो क्रीम है वो यहाँ पर इस रूप से आता है। क्या है? गेट्स ओबे ओनली कॉम्यूटेटिव एंड एसोसिएटिव लॉ। कौन कौन से गेट हैं जो कॉम्यूटेटिव एसोसिएटिव लॉ ओबे करते हैं? वो गेट है नॉर, नेंड और एक्सक्लूसिव नॉर। गेट्स बोथ कॉम्यूटेटिव एंड एसोसिएटिव, है ना, जो दोनों लॉ होल्ड करते हैं वो क्या है? आर एंड एक्सक्लूसिव आर। तीसरा पॉइंट, ऑल लो इनपुट प्रोड्यूस हाई आउटपुट। लो को हाई में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है, मतलब नेगेशन टाइप का। वो कहां मिलेगा? नॉर, नेंड, नॉट और एक्सक्लूसिव नॉर में। यदि लो इनपुट है तो लो आउटपुट हो, तो आर के, एंड के और एक्स आर के। ऑल हाई इनपुट प्रोड्यूस हाई आउटपुट, वही चीज आर एंड एक्स आर। ऑल हाई इनपुट्स प्रोड्यूस लो इनपुट्स, अगेन negation, nor, NAND, XOR, NOT. Here output is high if and only if all inputs are high, and output is low if and only if all inputs are high, NAND. So these 8 points are very, very important in case of the examination, and this is all about the gates, logic gates. And in the next video we will like to discuss about the binary codes and its application with algebraic model. Thank you very much.